U.S. Space Force alert about an anomalous debris event tied to a Starlink satellite. Today I'm going to explain what that means, what was reported, and then I'll show you a LeoLabs visualization that looks intense at first and then gets absolutely unbelievable when one of the settings is turned on. Stay tuned to the end for that switch. I'm Dr. Amanda Fetch, aka Dr. Amanda Analytics. This is a quick and clear breakdown of that Starlink event, a snapshot looking into debris monitoring and what the low Earth orbit environment looks like right now per LeoLabs. Reuters reporting on December 18th described a Starlink satellite anomaly at about 418 kilometers altitude, which resulted in a loss of communications. SpaceX said that the satellite is largely intact, tumbling and expected to re-enter the atmosphere within weeks. According to the article, LeoLabs reported detecting tens of pieces consistent with debris associated with the event, and the rapid drop in altitude points to an internal spacecraft malfunction as a likely cause. This is the SpaceTrack login screen. That red banner is a U.S. Space Force notice confirming an anomalous debris event connected to a specific Starlink satellite and stating there was no assessed risk to the International Space Station at this time. The notice also states that the analysis is ongoing. Now I'm going to flip this a bit and I'm going to show you why this visually matters. I'm pulling up the LeoLabs Low Earth Orbit visualization. The first view already looks like a lot going on here. Now I'm going to toggle one option that's going to change everything. Each dot on this visualization represents a tracked object in low Earth orbit. The colors indicate object types, payloads, rocket bodies, debris, which I will check momentarily, and unknowns. The show of objects around Earth represents the operational band where many satellites fly today. Those are there's this red translucent shape that are sensor coverage volumes, regions of space where observation systems can track objects. Now, this is going to be the part that's going to make you stop and stare. Your mouth may or may not drop open. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the debris layer. Now, when the debris is enabled, the environment becomes visually overwhelming here. This view helps explain why satellite operators take debris events seriously and why only tens of fragments are detected. Tracked objects represent the catalog population, and scientific estimates include a much larger population of tiny debris, often cited in the tens to hundreds of millions. So you might have heard my last video, me quoting that 130 million number, which are too small to track individually, but still capable of damage at intense and high orbital speeds. Low Earth orbit is an operational environment with high object density. Debris events and objects to monitor increase screening workload and raise collision avoidance complexity for everyone operating nearby. So I have a question for you that I'm going to leave you with. When the Space Force flags an event like this, what are they really looking for? And how much uncertainty is acceptable for us in orbit? If you want more breakdowns like this, real space situational awareness visuals, real data, and what it means in plain language, subscribe. I'd love to see you here next time. I'm Dr. Amanda Analytics signing off. See you at the next video. Take care.